mo. Excuse me, Team SJ.
Ay, magsabati akin at hindi bayata.
Asan siya to? Pero I don't think we will have time for that, no? Magkinaganay tayo, paningot na ganito o cheering na hindi pa dyan to. Let's just proceed to the next game. Okay, Jackstone. Jackstone. Ito tayo din ang Jackstone. Okay. I will not join because I know the criteria. Practice. Mga yun lang jud ko o pasensya sa tanan. Alam ko taon padagana, hindi ninyo magustuhan ang game na Jackstone. But I know Jane loved Jackstone so much. Champion na pirmi sa amo. No, 20 pa lang, di ba, yung mga stones niya, 20. Tapos, 10 exhibition, di ba? Anyway, ang exhibition natin, you know how to play. You have to pick the stones 1 by 1, 2 by 2, by 3s, by 4s. No, pero yung kasi 10 lang siya. So, madali lang siya matapos. Since senior citizen naman ka, somebody can help you out. Pwede dalawa, pwedeng tatlo maglaro. Okay, so ang mga exhibition, 3? No, 5. Number 1, ano nga yung number 1? Around the world, and then cave. Cave. I strongly advise not to include falling stars in this game. Okay? Ano pa yun? I strongly advise not to include falling star and double star in this game. Cave yun, cave. Okay? Cave. Basketball. Okay? 1, ilan na? Dalawa. Oh, heart. Heart. Okay, please remember. Around the world, cave, heart, and then yung knock-knock. Knock-knock. Tutok. Ay, sorry ha. Memory gap. And then the last one, basketball. Yung ganon. Tingnan natin.
Hindi.
Okay. So, ayun, ano yun? Yun na yun. Ganun ka. Sige, panindigan niyo yan, ha? Okay. So, the winner will go first.
Alright.
Follow, ano yan? Clockwise? Clockwise, no? White? White ba yun? Yung ano, last time. Sige. Sino yung nanalo? White, and then Luzon, red, and then Visayas, green, and then Mindanao. Okay, please get the Jackstone so that we can start playing.